In the competitive landscape of technology, preparing for an Oracle interview is crucial for aspiring candidates. This video presents the top 25 interview questions along with insightful answers to help you stand out. From database management to SQL queries, these questions cover essential topics relevant to Oracle roles. Gain confidence and enhance your interview skills with practical knowledge that can make a difference in your performance. 1. What is the difference between translate and replace functions in Oracle? The translate and replace functions in Oracle serve different purposes for string manipulation. Translate replaces a set of characters in a string with corresponding characters from another set. It is useful for single character substitutions and can handle multiple characters at once. In contrast, replace is designed to replace all occurrences of a specified substring within a string with a different substring. It works on a substring level rather than character level. Therefore, use translate when needing to substitute single characters and replace when modifying larger segments of text. 2. How can you display rows from a table without duplicates? To display rows from a table without duplicates in Oracle, you can use the distinct keyword in your SQL query. The distinct clause eliminates duplicate records from the result set based on the column specified. For example, the query select distinct column 1, column 2 from table_name, retrieves unique combinations of column 1 and column 2 from table_name. Alternatively, you can also utilize the group by clause, which groups rows sharing the same values in specified columns. This method can be particularly useful when performing aggregate functions, allowing for summarized results without duplicates. 3. What is the purpose of the merge statement in Oracle? The merge statement in Oracle is used for performing an upsert operation, which means it can insert new records or update existing records based on a condition. This functionality allows you to combine the capabilities of insert and update statements into a single atomic operation, which can enhance performance and reduce the complexity of your SQL code. By specifying a source dataset and a target table, you can define conditions for matching records and specify what actions to take when matches are found or not found, streamlining data management tasks. 4. Explain what a null value represents in Oracle. A null value in Oracle represents the absence of a value or an unknown value in a database column. It is not the same as an empty string or a zero. It indicates that no data has been entered for that particular field. Null can affect query results and operations, as comparisons with null using standard operators, like equals or smiley face, will not yield true. Instead, Oracle provides special operators such as is null and is not null to test for null values. Understanding how nulls function is crucial for data integrity and accurate query results. 5. How can you delete duplicate rows in a table? To delete duplicate rows in a table, you can use a common table expression, CTE, or a subquery in conjunction with the row_number function. This function assigns a unique sequential integer to rows within a partition of a result set. You can then delete rows where the row number is greater than 1. Here's an example using a CTE, with duplicate rows as, select, column 1, column 2, row_number, OVER, partition by column 1, column 2 order by, select null, as rownum. From, your table, closing parenthesis, delete from duplicate rows, where rownum greater than 1. This query retains the first instance of each duplicate row based on the specified columns and deletes the rest. 6. What are the attributes of a cursor in Oracle? A cursor in Oracle has several key attributes that help manage its behavior. These attributes include %found, returns true if the last fetch was successful. %not found, returns true if the last fetch was unsuccessful. %row count, returns the number of rows processed by the cursor. %isopen, indicates whether the cursor is currently open. These attributes are essential for controlling cursor operations and handling result sets efficiently, allowing developers to implement logic based on the state of the cursor during execution. This enhances the control over database transactions. 7. Can you store pictures in an Oracle database? If so, how? Yes, you can store pictures in an Oracle database using blob, binary large object, data types. Blobs allow you to store large amounts of binary data, such as images, audio, or video files. To store a picture, you typically first read the image file into a byte array. Then, you can insert the byte array into a table column defined as a blob. To retrieve the image, you would read the blob data back from the database and convert it back into an image format. This method allows for efficient management of images directly within the database environment. 8. What is an integrity constraint in Oracle? An integrity constraint is a rule that ensures the accuracy and consistency of data within a database. In Oracle, these constraints are used to enforce data integrity by limiting the types of data that can be entered into a table. Common types of integrity constraints include primary key constraints, which ensure each row has a unique identifier, foreign key constraints, which maintain referential integrity between tables, unique constraints, which ensure values in a column are unique, and check constraints, which limit the range of values that can be entered. 9. Explain the difference between $Oracle_base and $Oracle_home. $Oracle_base is the root directory for all Oracle software and related products on a system. It serves as the parent directory for all Oracle installations and contains subdirectories such as $Oracle_home. Each $Oracle_home represents a specific Oracle database installation and contains the binaries, configuration files, and libraries required for that database. In summary, $Oracle_base is the top-level directory, while $Oracle_home is a subdirectory that contains files specific to a particular Oracle database installation. This structure helps in organizing multiple Oracle products on a single system. 10. What is the fastest query method to fetch data from a table in Oracle? The fastest query method to fetch data from a table in Oracle typically involves the use of indexed columns. Indexes allow the database to locate data quickly without scanning the entire table. Utilizing efficient SQL queries with proper where clauses can significantly enhance performance. Additionally, employing techniques such as partitioning tables, optimizing table joins, and using the select statement effectively can further speed up data retrieval. For large datasets, considering the use of parallel query execution can also improve the performance of data fetching operations. 11. What are the components of the physical database structure in Oracle? The physical database structure in Oracle consists of several key components. These include data files, which store the actual data within the database, control files, which maintain information about the database's physical structure and status, and redo log files, which record all changes made to the database to ensure data integrity and recovery. Additionally, there are temp files used for sorting and managing temporary data. Together, these components work in harmony to facilitate efficient data storage, retrieval, and integrity within the Oracle database environment. 12. Explain the concept of tablespaces in Oracle. Tablespaces in Oracle are logical storage units that group related logical structures, such as tables and indexes. Each tablespace consists of one or more data files, which store the actual data. They allow for efficient management of disk space and help organize data according to different applications or users. Administrators can control storage allocation, security, and backup strategies at the tablespace level. By using tablespaces, organizations can optimize performance and manage data more effectively, separating data based on usage patterns and requirements. 13. What is a system tablespace and when is it created? The system tablespace is a critical component of an Oracle database that stores the data dictionary, which includes metadata about all database objects such as tables, indexes, users, and privileges. It is created automatically when a new Oracle database is initialized. The system tablespace is essential for the database's operation because it contains information that Oracle needs to manage and access the data within the database. It is recommended to not store user data in the system tablespace, as it is primarily dedicated to internal structures and management functions. 14. What are the differences between hot backup and cold backup in Oracle? Hot backup refers to backing up a database while it is still running and accessible to users. This type of backup allows transactions to continue, and it ensures data consistency through the use of online redo logs. On the other hand, cold backup requires the database to be shut down, making it inaccessible during the backup process. This method guarantees that the database files are in a consistent state at the time of backup, eliminating the risk of capturing partial transactions. Each method has its use cases depending on the organization's needs for uptime and data integrity. 15. Explain the purpose of redo log files in Oracle. Redo log files are critical components in Oracle databases that ensure data integrity by recording all changes made to the database. When a transaction occurs, all modifications are written to the redo log before they are applied to the actual data files. This process allows for recovery in case of a failure, as the database can be restored to a consistent state using the redo logs. They help to implement the write-ahead logging protocol, ensuring that no committed transactions are lost. In essence, redo log files facilitate recovery and maintain the durability aspect of ACID properties. 16. What is the difference between rank and dense_rank functions? The rank and dense_rank functions are both used in SQL to assign a rank to each row within a partition of a result set. The primary distinction lies in how they handle ties. Rank assigns a unique rank number to each distinct row, but if there are ties, it skips the next ranks. For example, if two rows are tied for rank 1, the next rank assigned would be 3. In contrast, dense_rank also assigns ranks based on the tied values, but it does not skip any ranks. The next rank after the tie would be 2. This makes dense_rank more compact in terms of ranking. 17. How does Oracle implement ACID properties? Oracle implements ACID properties through several mechanisms. Atomicity ensures that transactions are all executed successfully, or none at all, by using rollback segments. Consistency guarantees that a transaction only brings the database from one valid state to another, enforced through constraints and triggers. Isolation ensures that concurrent transactions do not affect each other, achieved by using multi-version concurrency control, MVCC, allowing readers to access consistent data without blocking writers. Durability ensures that once a transaction is committed, it remains permanent, handled by writing changes to redo logs, which are used during recovery. 18. What is the purpose of the union operator in Oracle SQL? The union operator in Oracle SQL combines the results of two or more select statements into a single result set. It eliminates duplicate rows from the result set by default, ensuring that each row is unique. Each select statement within the union must have the same number of columns, and the corresponding columns must have compatible data types. The resulting set will include all unique rows from the combined queries, allowing for effective data aggregation from multiple tables or queries. To retain duplicates, the union all operator can be used instead. 19. Explain the concept of materialized views in Oracle. A materialized view in Oracle is a database object that stores the result of a query physically. Unlike regular views, which are virtual and recomputed each time they are accessed, materialized views store data, allowing for faster query performance. They can be refreshed periodically to reflect changes in the underlying tables, either on demand or automatically at specified intervals. Materialized views are particularly useful in scenarios where complex queries involve large datasets, as they reduce the load on the database and improve response times for end users. 20. What are synonyms in Oracle and what is their purpose? A synonym in Oracle is an alias for a database object, such as a table, view, or sequence. Synonyms simplify SQL statements by allowing users to refer to objects without needing to specify their schema or owner. This is particularly useful for providing easier access to objects in different schemas and can enhance security by hiding the underlying object names. Synonyms can be public or private. Public synonyms are accessible to all users, while private synonyms are limited to the user who created them. They help streamline database interactions and improve code readability. 21. How would you find the Oracle database version you're currently using? To find the Oracle database version, you can execute a SQL query against the $version view. This view contains information about the Oracle database version, including the release number and other relevant details. Use the following SQL statement. Select asterisk from $version. Alternatively, you can retrieve the version using the dbms_utility package like this. Select dbms_utility. Version from dual. Both methods will return the current version of the Oracle database you are using along with additional information about the build and release. This information is crucial for understanding compatibility with applications and features. 22. What is the difference between a schema and a database in Oracle? In Oracle, a database is a collection of data that is managed by the Oracle Database Management System, while a schema is a logical container within that database. A schema contains database objects such as tables, views, indexes, and stored procedures. Each schema is associated with a specific user and defines the structure of the data within it. Multiple schemas can exist within a single database, allowing for organized data management and security. A schema helps in grouping related objects together, simplifying database administration and access control. 23. Explain the concept of Oracle's data dictionary. The data dictionary in Oracle is a set of read-only tables that contain information about the database's structure and metadata. It provides essential details about all database objects, including tables, views, indexes, users, privileges, and constraints. The data dictionary is automatically created when the database is set up and is updated whenever changes are made. Users can query the data dictionary views, such as user_tables, all_tables, and DBA_tables, to retrieve information about their database objects. This information is crucial for database management, security, and optimization tasks. 24. What are the different types of indexes in Oracle? In Oracle, there are several types of indexes that can optimize query performance. The most common types include B-tree index, the default index type, which is efficient for a wide range of queries, especially equality and range queries. Bitmap index, best suited for columns with a low cardinality, such as gender or status flags. It uses bitmap vectors for efficient querying and space saving. Function-based index, created on expressions or functions, allowing indexing on computed values for easier searching. Unique index, ensures that all values in the indexed column are unique, preventing duplicate entries. Reverse key index, useful for reducing contention on sequential inserts by reversing the byte order of key values. Each index type serves specific scenarios and can significantly impact performance, depending on the use cases. 25. How does Oracle handle concurrency control? Oracle handles concurrency control primarily through its use of multi-versioning and transaction isolation. When a transaction modifies data, Oracle creates a new version of that data rather than overwriting the existing one. This allows other transactions to access the previous version of the data, ensuring they do not block each other. Oracle employs locks for certain operations, but due to its multi-versioning, it minimizes the need for extensive locking. Additionally, Oracle provides various isolation levels such as read committed and serializable, allowing developers to choose the appropriate level of concurrency based on their application's requirements. In this video, we've covered the top 25 Oracle interview questions and provided detailed answers to help you prepare effectively. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, understanding these key concepts will boost your confidence and improve your chances of success in your Oracle interviews. We hope you found this information valuable and that it aids you in your career journey. If you enjoyed the content, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. Thank you for watching.